Hey lovebirds. Let's talk about something real today. Sex. Not the Hollywood kind. Not the clinical textbook kind. I'm talking about real-life couple sex, the good, the awkward, the maybe later kind. Because let's be honest, for many couples, over time, sex starts to feel like a task. Like something to check off the to-do list between laundry and Netflix. But it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm going to share a few simple tips to make sex feel more like a game you want to play, and less like a chore you're trying to avoid. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Change the goal. Too often, we treat sex like a race to the finish line. Orgasm or bust. But here's the truth, the goal isn't just climax, it's connection. Play. Flirting. Exploring. Laughing. So instead of focusing on performance, focus on pleasure, for both of you. Make it about curiosity, not pressure. Tip 2. Bring in playfulness. Remember how fun it was when everything was new? You didn't take it so seriously. You giggled, experimented, teased. Bring that back. Try a fun challenge. Let's see how long we can keep each other turned on without going all the way. Or tonight, one of us is in charge, the other just enjoys. You're not just lovers, you're playmates. So play. Tip 3. Stop rushing. Quickies are great. But if that's all you're doing, it can feel mechanical. Try slowing it down. Set aside intentional time, even if it's just once a week. Light candles. Put on music. Create a vibe. Let foreplay last longer than a movie trailer. Think of it as a slow dance, not a sprint. Tip 4. Communicate without judgment. Sexy isn't silent. Talk about what you like. Ask questions. Be curious. Say what feels good, and what doesn't. You can even turn it into a game. Tell me one thing you've always wanted to try. Or, Truth or Dare, Bedroom Edition. Communication builds trust, and trust creates freedom. Tip 5. Surprise each other. Routine is the enemy of excitement. So shake things up. It doesn't have to be 50 Shades level wild. Try a new location. A new outfit. A new time of day. Leave a flirty note. Whisper something spicy. Buy massage oil. Change the tempo. Little surprises go a long way. Tip 6. Remember why you fell in love. Physical connection is about more than bodies. It's about the energy between you. The spark. The warmth. The care. So touch each other even outside the bedroom. Hold hands. Kiss longer. Hug tighter. When your emotional intimacy grows, your sexual connection follows. So, to all the couples out there, sex doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. Make it fun. Make it real. Make it a game that keeps evolving. Because love is not about performance, it's about presence. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more real talk about love, life, and everything in between. Stay connected. Stay playful. And remember, love is the best kind of adventure. See you next time.